Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. Let's go! Nubia Magnetic Phoner 5 Pro. The Nubia Magnetic Phone Cooler 5 Pro is a game changer for avid gamers and streamers. With 36-watt peak power and cutting-edge VC liquid cooling technology, it keeps your device cool even during intense gaming marathons. The 7-blade high-speed fan, combined with TC refrigeration chips, ensures rapid cooling, dropping the phone's temperature by an impressive 78 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 seconds. Designed to fit all devices, it supports iPhone and Android smartphones, tablets, and more, thanks to its magnetic sticker and clip system. Plus, the RGB neon lighting adds an esports vibe, making it both functional and stylish. With an ultra-quiet operation at just 36 dB, this cooler doesn't interfere with gaming, streaming, or voice chats. The dedicated app allows you to monitor and control temperature and lighting effects seamlessly. If overheating has been holding back your phone's performance, this cooler is an indispensable accessory for smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. AOHI 140-watt laptop power bank. The AOHI 140-watt laptop power bank redefines portable charging with its innovative 2-in-1 design, seamlessly combining a desktop charger and a power bank. Featuring a massive 40,000 mAh capacity and PD 3.1 technology, it supports ultra-fast charging for a wide range of devices, including laptops, phones, and tablets. Its intelligent bidirectional power distribution ensures efficient energy use, even allowing self-recharging while powering your devices. Equipped with 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, it supports simultaneous fast charging for multiple gadgets, meeting all your daily needs. The automotive-grade battery cells and 9 safety protections guarantee a secure and reliable charging experience. This powerhouse can charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch from 0% to 56% in just 30 minutes, making it a perfect companion for professionals and travelers. If you're seeking unmatched versatility and performance, the AOHI 140 laptop power bank delivers exceptional value. DJI Mini4 Pro. The DJI Mini4 Pro is the ultimate drone for enthusiasts and beginners alike. Weighing under 249 grams, it skips registration hassles, offering unparalleled convenience for travel and recreation. With its stunning 4K 60fps HDR video capture, your aerial footage is vibrant and crystal clear straight out of the camera. Equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the Mini4 Pro ensures a safe and confident flying experience, even in challenging environments. Its extended battery life means you can explore breathtaking landscapes without worrying about frequent recharges. The 20km FHD video transmission provides lag-free, real-time visuals, enhancing your flight experience. With customizable ActiveTrack 360-degree, capturing dynamic shots is effortless, even for first-timers. Whether you're a hobbyist or a content creator, the DJI Mini4 Pro is a top-tier choice that combines portability, performance, and ease of use. SHOKZ Open Run Pro. The SHOKZ Open Run Pro redefines fitness audio with its open-ear design and bone conduction technology. Offering unmatched comfort, these headphones ensure you stay aware of your surroundings during workouts, enhancing safety and connection. Powered by turbo pitch technology, the audio quality is exceptional, delivering rich bass and crisp sound. The lightweight titanium frame ensures a secure fit, making it perfect for intense activities. With 10 hours of battery life and a quick charge feature, you're never far from your favorite tunes or calls. Designed for fitness enthusiasts, the Open Run Pro is not just a headphone. It's a workout companion that combines safety, durability, and high-performance sound. Soundcore Boom 2 Plus by Anker. The Soundcore Boom 2 Plus delivers booming bass and immersive audio in a durable, portable design. Featuring dual woofers and tweeters powered by Bass Up 2.0, it offers 140 watts of dynamic sound, perfect for outdoor adventures or house parties. With IPX7 waterproofing, this speaker is ready for the beach, pool, or even rainy days. It also doubles as a power bank, providing a 10-watt charge for your devices. The 20-hour playtime ensures the music never stops, and PartyCast 2.0 lets you connect up to 100+ speakers for an unforgettable experience. Whether you're hosting a party or exploring the outdoors, the Soundcore Boom 2 Plus combines rugged reliability with incredible sound performance, making it a top pick for audiophiles on the go. LFAS Mini Projector. The LFAS Mini Projector is a compact powerhouse, boasting a smartphone-sized design that's perfect for on-the-go entertainment. Equipped with cutting-edge German OSRAM LED technology and a 1080p HD resolution, this mini projector delivers stunning, vibrant visuals on a screen up to 200 inches. The 24-bit True Color and Emerald Glass lens ensure high-quality images, while the built-in hi-fi speaker provides impressive sound without external equipment. Its versatile connectivity includes USB, HDMI, AV, and Chromecast ports, making it compatible with various devices from laptops to smartphones. While it doesn't directly support streaming apps like Netflix or Hulu due to HDCP copyright, you can easily use it with Amazon Fire Stick or Roku Stick for a seamless experience. The included tripod enhances its portability, and its efficient heat dissipation keeps fan noise minimal. Whether for indoor movie nights or outdoor camping adventures, the LFAS mini projector is a stellar choice. Plus, with 3-year factory support, it offers peace of mind for any user. ATUVOS AirTags 4. The ATUVOS AirTags 4-pack is a game-changer for anyone prone to losing their belongings. Fully integrated with Apple's Find My app, these tags let you locate your items with ease. With a loud 80 to 100 decibel speaker, real-time location updates, and map navigation, finding misplaced keys, wallets, or bags is simpler than ever. Designed for privacy, your location data remains encrypted and accessible only to you. The IP67 water-resistant build ensures durability, while the replaceable battery offers a year of uninterrupted tracking. Pairing is a breeze, just a few taps in the Find My app and you're set to go. Plus, the Left Behind Remind and Lost Mode features keep you informed if you forget an item. Whether for daily use or gifting, ATUVOS AirTags are a practical solution to stay organized and stress-free. And with no subscription fees, it's a smart, budget-friendly choice for iOS users. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open redefines foldable smartphones with its sleek design and groundbreaking features. As the thinnest and lightest foldable in North America, it combines aerospace-grade materials, a custom flexion hinge, and carbon fiber support for unparalleled durability. The 6.31-inch external display and 7.82-inch interior screen offer a near-invisible crease, Dolby Vision, and a vivid 10-bit color experience at a peak brightness of 2800 nits. Its multitasking capabilities, powered by OpenCanvas and Oxygen OS, let you seamlessly switch apps, drag and drop content, and elevate your productivity. The triple camera system, co-developed with Hasselblad, includes a 48-megapixel main lens, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixel periscope zoom lens, making it perfect for capturing stunning portraits and Dolby Vision HDR videos. With included perks like 6 months of Google One and 3 months of YouTube Premium, the OnePlus Open combines functionality, style, and value, setting a new standard in foldable devices. Read-Off Laptop Screen Extender. The Read-Off Laptop Screen Extender transforms your laptop into a productivity hub with its triple screen setup. Featuring two 15.6-inch FHD 1080p IPS displays, it offers vibrant colors, low blue light technology, and anti-glare protection for comfortable, eye-friendly use. The flexible stand allows 235 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical rotation, catering to various configurations such as landscape or portrait modes. This screen extender significantly enhances multitasking, letting you debug, program, or present effortlessly. The plug-and-play design works with USB-C, USB-A, and HDMI connections, making setup hassle-free. Its wide compatibility spans Windows, Mac, M1 Pro Max, and newer, Chrome and Linux, making it versatile for various devices. Ideal for professionals and gamers alike, the Read-Off extender combines convenience, efficiency, and portability. Whether at home, the office, or on the go, it's a valuable tool for boosting productivity by up to 300%. ProtoArc Foldable Keyboard and Mouse. The ProtoArc Foldable Keyboard and Mouse set offers a seamless blend of portability and functionality. This compact, full-size keyboard features 105 keys, 12 multimedia shortcuts, and a number pad, ensuring quick access and efficient data entry. It supports 3 simultaneous device connections via 2.4G and Bluetooth, making it perfect for multitasking with laptops, tablets, and phones. The quiet scissor switch keys and noise-reduced mouse ensure a distraction-free work environment. With adjustable DPI levels, the mouse caters to various tasks with precision. Both the keyboard and mouse are rechargeable via USB-C, boasting impressive standby times of 150 and 200 days respectively. The included hard-carrying case and collapsible stand make it an ideal travel companion. Whether you're working on the go or setting up a mobile workspace, the ProtoArc set is a thoughtful, high-performing solution that combines style, comfort, and convenience. ProtoArc Wireless Trackball Mouse. The ProtoArc Wireless Trackball Mouse is a game-changer for ergonomic comfort and precision. Its adjustable hinge lets you customize the angle between 0 and 20 degrees, providing a natural hand position that reduces strain during long hours of work. Instead of moving your arm, you control the cursor with your thumb, making it ideal for tight spaces like cluttered desks or couches. Switching between devices is effortless with its triple connection modes, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz. Compatible with Windows, macOS, and Android, you can manage up to 3 devices simultaneously. The built-in rechargeable battery eliminates the hassle of replacing batteries, while 5 DPI levels, 200 to 1600, offer customizable cursor sensitivity. Enjoy smooth navigation with its frosted surface and quiet clicking, perfect for focused environments. However, note that the scroll wheel isn't silent. While its back and forward buttons aren't compatible with macOS, this trackball mouse delivers excellent performance and is ideal for those seeking comfort and precision in a compact, versatile design. ErGear Electric Standing Desk. The ErGear Electric Standing Desk redefines productivity and comfort with its robust design and smooth height adjustment. Built with a solid steel frame and aerospace-grade connectors, it remains stable even at its maximum height of 46.46 inches. The upgraded motor ensures reliable, quiet performance, tested to last for years. This desk allows you to save 3 favorite height settings for effortless transitions between sitting and standing. The surface is crafted with low VOC materials, meeting federal air safety standards for healthier indoor use. Assembly is streamlined with clear instructions and minimal components, saving time and effort. Ideal for home offices or creative spaces, this desk combines functionality with durability. Whether you're focused on work or transitioning to a standing position to stretch, its thoughtful design promotes better posture and efficiency. If you're ready to invest in a workspace upgrade, this standing desk is worth every penny. ErGear Dual Monitor Stand. Transform your workspace with the ErGear Dual Monitor Stand, designed to hold 2 flat or curved monitors, 13 to 35 inches, up to 26.4 pounds each. Its sturdy aviation-grade aluminum construction ensures long-lasting durability, while its full-motion arms offer 360 degrees rotation, 85-degree tilt, and 180-degree swivel for customized viewing angles. The stand's 25.6-inch extension is perfect for deep desks, and its sleek cable management system keeps your workspace clutter-free. Whether mounted via C-clamp or grommet base, installation is a breeze with the included hardware and clear instructions. Bonus features like the built-in USB port add convenience for device charging. Ideal for multitaskers, the ErGear stand enhances productivity and ergonomic comfort. Its premium design not only frees up desk space, but also supports seamless adjustments for any workflow, making it a must-have upgrade for your workstation. OUKITEL G1 Rugged Smartphone. The OUKITEL G1 Rugged Smartphone is a powerhouse for adventurers and heavy-duty users. With 24 GB of RAM, 60 of physical plus 18 GB virtual, and 256 GB storage expandable to 1 TB, it handles multitasking and large files effortlessly. Powered by Android 14, it offers a seamless user experience. Its massive 10,600 mAh battery provides up to 60 hours of talk time and 18 hours of video playback, and 18-watt fast charging keeps you powered up. Designed for extreme conditions, the phone is IP68, IP69K, and MEL-STD 810H certified, resisting water, dust, and drops. The 6.52-inch HD Plus display delivers vibrant visuals, while the 48-megapixel main camera captures stunning shots. Additional features like NFC, dual SIM support, and advanced navigation tools make it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or demanding jobs. If durability and performance are your priorities, the OUKITEL G1 is a reliable companion for any adventure. CASABREWS Espresso Machine 20 Bar. Bring the cafe experience home with the CASABREWS Espresso Machine. Its 20-bar Italian pump and 1350-watt boiler deliver rich, aromatic espresso with a perfect crema. Compact and stylish, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen or office. The built-in milk frother textures creamy microfoam for latte art and enhances flavor. Brew single or double shots effortlessly thanks to its user-friendly design and pressure gauge, which ensures consistent extraction. The 34-ounce detachable water tank makes refilling a breeze, allowing you to craft multiple drinks without interruption. Designed for aspiring baristas, this semi-automatic machine is easy to use and versatile. Follow the included cooling instructions after frothing milk to avoid overheating. Whether it's a cappuccino, flat white, or macchiato, CASABREWS makes every cup an indulgence. For coffee lovers seeking a reliable and affordable espresso machine, this is a fantastic choice for elevating your brewing game. These 15 coolest Amazon gadgets combine functionality, style, and innovation to enhance your daily routine. From boosting productivity to elevating your entertainment, these finds offer unique solutions for tech lovers and practical users alike. Whether you're upgrading your workspace, improving your gameplay, or enjoying the perfect cup of coffee, these gadgets bring convenience and excitement to the table. Ready to discover your next must-have gadget? Click the links in our review to explore these top-rated Amazon finds and add a touch of innovation and fun to your everyday life.